Next I have here is CAR, C-A-R, which is Avis Budget Group. Very strong trend initiated today. As you can see, from about lunchtime on, it did nothing but run and went up the whole dollar since that time. That kind of move up could potentially have a fair amount of pullback here because it is a full dollar. I guess we could use some Fibonacci's just to see what kind of levels I'd be watching here. So there we go there. Now with that kind of move, like I said, there'd be a pullback most likely, and I would be looking for somewhere that this VWAP would correspond to one of these levels. So looks to me like somewhere between 30.90 and 31.05 would be a good opportunity to keep an eye on for a support entry. And as you can see, the opening price right here set up a little bit of consolidation in this area. I mean, you've had from about 220 to 255, about a half an hour of price deciding what it wants to do here. And then it finally left and took off. So maybe 31.05, the higher end of this range, I might look at taking a stab at for a long. The stop loss would obviously have to be down here below the VWAP. Now, once triggered into the trade, a break above this 31.55 would probably bring in some more buyers, and we would likely test maybe 32.5 again. Looks like this was a pretty good answer to this sell-off right here, and it may have been unwarranted. Another interesting level to keep in mind is this 30.75 to 30.80, where these two moving averages right here are crossing. The daily candle, I will note, is another one of these inside days. This one was at the lower end of the range, which should have implied there's going to be considerable more follow through to the downside, which obviously there wasn't. And once price broke back above this 30.33 area, this 30.3 area right around here, you can see the little bit of a volume spike. Probably came in towards the top of this candle as the shorts realized there's not enough momentum. Popped up, came back and tested this level again, and that confirmed that the shorts had to get out. And then the next level was up here, based on the previous day, where was the last ditch effort where the bears absolutely could not stand any longer, because there's really no telling how much longer it's going to go up until up here, which is another almost a full $1.25 higher. So that traps some people on the wrong side, and those are the trades when you recognize them in real time, even a day later or two later sometimes. You can really monitor it and make some decent trades off of it. So if this does trigger in anyways, my target's going to be around 32 to 32.5. We'll see what it can do once it gets up to that area.